Get out on the lake, let's go fishing. Just where we'll point that boat, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be feast or famine. So sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over.
Look, lifers, we finna come out here and sight the crossbow in, the rifle in, the air rifles, play with some other firearms. And it's probably gonna be 2 or 3 videos all rolled into one. But I'm gonna do one intro and one outro, and you'll just see it on all of them. And we got the ambulance coming. Eddie's done stumped his toe or something, I don't know. Mr. Eddie's here with us today. I don't know what they were out here doing. No, I'm on the side of the highway, y'all know that. They drive by here about 12 times a day. All right, we finna do the crossbow first, and we'll see where we go from there. What do there, Mr. Eddie?
Fixing to see if these guns shoot.
See if they go boom.
Yeah.
Alright, I got a couple of them. They're gonna fire today, and I'm gonna snake my deer rifle in this video, and then we're going on to the pellets,
The fun stuff.
the stuff that they won't monetize. I don't know if y'all noticed that we did a 44 Magnum shooting video the other day with straight on high powered pistol, and they monetized it. But the day before, the 3 or 4 days before, I had a pellet rifle, 25 caliber pellet rifle video that they would not monetize. Yeah, my ass is still chapped about that. But we finna do a little 22 plinking, and we'll bring y'all along. And it appears that he's got some higher caliber stuff here too.
9 and a 380.
9 and a 380.
No idea where I'm even hitting.
I can't tell.
No clue. I can't tell how many
I
hit.
couldn't tell either.
What you gonna do, Big John?
I've been trying to shoot this target right here. I'm gonna hit the target with them.
Did you hit it?
Did some shooting there, y'all. I hit it the first 2 times. Oh shit, I'm gonna chip on everything we go. Trying to get back around them stupid cameras. Alright, I'm finna go hot with this.
Anytime you're ready. You got that other recording?
Yeah.
You way left?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Great spot.
Yeah.
Closer.
What do you think?
I think you're right on the money right there. Do one more shot, and if you hit the same place, you're good. I believe you're good.
That barrel's getting hot anyway.
I believe you're where you need to be.
I'm interested to see how this angle looks, and I hope that why I had to adjust the sights was not shooting it with this clamp on the barrel. So we'll find out here in a little bit. Alright, y'all have a good one. Alright, we got all the pew-pews sighted in. It's going to be a little bit longer video. We shot so many. And we got the deer rifle ready. We got the bow ready. Well, the bow's going to be a separate video. We got all of Mr. Eddie's pew-pew handgun, or hand pew-pews ready to go. I hope y'all enjoy this kind of content, because I'm going to keep doing it, because I like doing it. If I could get 1,000,000 rounds of 6.5 creedmoor, I'd shoot 1,000,000 rounds. Enjoyable to shoot, accurate. Would it take me eight rounds to get sighted in?
No, it wasn't 8 rounds, I don't think.
Six rounds after I had the scope totally off there. No bore sighting. But hope y'all enjoyed it. We'll be back here in a minute. Or here on the next video, we're going to shoot them air rifles again, because I really like them.